First video on the new phone, and it's a package. I'm on my way to a package. Here it is. Guess what it is? You'll find out soon. Right now. What? A package for me? Yeah, that's right. I'm back to making videos, and this first video is a plush unboxing and review. It's something that I'm actually really happy. When I first got it, I was like, oh my god, it's here. Yeah, I was like so happy. You guys don't even know, okay? It's a plushie by a brand that you already know. Even if you saw the thumbnail, you're like already gonna know what it is. I'm acting surprised because I want to. I did peek a little bit, as you can see on the package. Yeah, I opened it a little bit like on the road when I got it. But yeah, let's open it. Let's open it. So we're doing it live on camera. Oh, here it is. The one and only GE Classic Amy. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. Oh my gosh, and so tiny. Oh my gosh. Look at this plush, it looks so good. Oh my goodness. Okay, her hands are a little... Wait, I have to stop and to adjust everything. Wow, I can't believe what I'm seeing. A GE plush in my house. I think it's official, I hope it is. But yeah, here's my GE Amy. First off, she is so tiny. Like, I'm talking like the size of the plush. I thought it would be bigger, and it's my first GE plush, so of course I'm gonna be like, what? Smaller? Oh my god. And just like Grobius, just like his old Jazzwares Amy, it won't stay down. Put your skirt down. Put your skirt down. Anyway, so first off, let's look at her legs, because like that's all you can kind of see on camera. So her feet, her boots look really good. They actually are kind of messed up. I don't mean this, you know, I mean like they're kind of decrepit looking. I'm obviously gonna clean this plush up by myself by hand. So yeah, then we have her nose and her cute little face. This is kind of floppy, but I don't care. It's an official plushie. So yeah, I'm gonna have to adjust the camera a little bit. There. So here's Amy in all her little glory. She's so small. And also, she doesn't have the hang string, the one that would be on top of a plush. Aha, here it is where it would be. It's so the original person that owned it cut it. But yeah, here she is. She looks nice. Her hands are also really big. She has the one spike, which is accurate, and she doesn't have a touch tag. Aha, it was ripped. It'd be on her shirt, but yeah, it was ripped. Yeah, it's a cool plush, official plush too. It's my second official Sonic plushie, which is, the first one I'm gonna bring it right now as a size comparison. You're gonna see it. So here's my second prize European Sonic next to Amy, and oh my gosh, she is so small. I don't know how I'm gonna fit her into like the videos. I don't know how I'm gonna do it. But yeah, this is Classic Amy, and another comparison is my bootleg silver plushie. And oh wow, they're like head to head. They're like the perfect size next to each other. Like the original official GE silver, it's definitely bigger than like her, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, this looks so cool. It started with the bootleg of a classic Sonic, which I have this picture on the side, and then an actual bootleg of a plushie. Like, this is the actual plushie that the second plushie I got. The first plushie was just this bootleg Sonic, which the listing that I originally had was of a classic Sonic. So, you know, it's kind of like come full circle. I finally have a GE character of a classic character plush, you know? That's cool. I'm just rambling a lot. I don't even know what I'm saying, but short summary of this review and plush. It's 10 out of 10. I love it, and I can't wait to feature her in videos. Yeah. Oh my god. Okay, but seriously, this plush is really cute, and it's my first GE plush. I'm so happy. Yeah.